Toby Perry, congratulations, winner of this race at the Estella. You win as a surprise. We didn't know how strong you were, and finally in the sprint with Pau Michael you win. How was the race?
Yeah, it was really good. Had a little, almost a crash on a gravel road before the big climb of the day, so I had to chase back on from that. And then I saw I was in a group with like 10 Lazarte, so I was quite nervous and kind of just went, oh, I've just got to go with the attacks, and I just went with Pau and came here to the finish with them.
You took the lead of the race with Pau Michael, around 25 kilometers to go. How were the last climb?
The last climb, it was just me and Pau just attacking each other and then sitting up and then attacking, and that was really hard. Just gave it everything really to try and drop him. He did the same for me, and neither of us could drop each other, so it came to a sprint.
But finally at the sprint, both of you battling for the win. It was a strange sprint because Pau thinks that he will win and you take advantage by the other side. Just a little bit of luck.
Yeah, a bit of luck. I was leading him into the sprint and there was a roundabout, and last minute I flicked to go the other direction and then slammed my brakes on so I could go onto his wheel, and that way he kind of led me out for the sprint. And yeah, I was kind of lucky he looked the wrong way and just came up on the inside.
Thank you very much, congratulations.
Thank you very much as well.
You're welcome.